Right now, a living machine is running inside you. You didn't take it. You were born with it. 3 trillion bacteria, mostly silent. That silence is ending. The year is 2000, MIT. A grad student named Timothy Gardner builds a switch out of DNA. Not silicon, not metal. It was a curiosity. It was also the big bang of a new science. For decades, medicine could only react. You got sick. You saw a doctor. You took a pill and hoped. The diagnosis always came too late. The drug always hit everywhere at once. In 2006, Jeffrey Gordon transplanted gut bacteria from obese mice into healthy ones. Without changing their diet, the healthy mice became obese. The microbiome wasn't a passenger, it was the driver. $2.1 billion invested, patent filings accelerating 67% per year, 34 labs across 12 countries. This is the most competitive biological arms race on Earth. The collision point, 2016. Pamela Silver at Harvard's Weiss Institute engineers bacteria that survive in a living gut, detect disease, and record it in their own DNA. A biological black box running III. Jim Collins, the man who built the first toggle switch, co-founded SYNLOGIC, raised $200 million, and put engineered bacteria into human trials for the very first time in history. For 3 million Americans with Crohn's disease, cycling through drugs that stop working, enduring annual colonoscopies, this isn't a headline. It's the possibility of a completely different life. Think of it like a smoke detector inside your body, except it doesn't just beep. It calls the fire department. And the fire department is already inside the building, ready to act within seconds. DARPA is funding this, not for patients but for soldiers. The same Sentinel tracking gut inflammation can monitor combat stress in real time. In adversarial hands, it could destabilize a population. By 2031, cellular sentinels enter phase 2 trials. By 2035, 1 microbial dose, taken like a vaccine, manages your chronic disease invisibly forever. No daily pill, no hardware, no doctor visit. Ancient healers always said all disease begins in the gut. Science called it folklore. The microbiome proved them right. Subscribe. We cover breakthroughs most people won't hear about for years.